love. Sofyan, how was it?
It's awesome, man. Where to come here again?
Yeah.
Of course we do.
There's the monkey up. Wow.
Not like the YouTube guys, right? You can tell in the comments.
Uh-huh.
Those Indians are rich enough. Tell in the comments. Tell.
Hey guys, today I'm at Subang Airport and I'm gonna fly to Pulau Pangkor. It's a small island and I'm really excited about it. It's a small airstrip and you get only one chance to land. There's no go around, so that's what is special about it. And I'm gonna take you with me, so come join me and enjoy. Here is the map of Malaysia and we are in KL right now. So we'll be taking off from Subang Airport and then we go all the way from Kuala Selangor to Pulau Pangkor, which is a small island just off Ipoh. Didn't have breakfast and it's not a good idea to go empty stomach in a flight, so here is my breakfast. It's the navlog which I'll be using to navigate to Pangkor, and then what all I have in my bag. This is Insta360, my headset and map, license and logbook, knee pad, aviators. Yeah, that's about it, and some other stuff. Let's go. That's the plane that we are gonna fly. Do the pre-flight checks. It's just basically checking the airplane whether everything is fine or not. There are a lot of things to check, like the fuel, the oil, the aileron surfaces, the lights, everything should be working, tire, brakes and all that. So I'm gonna do that quickly. This is what it looks like from inside. Let me show you. And another plane just taking off, November Charlie uniform. Here, this is the inside. We got a seat for 4 people. Oh wow! Bye bye.
We'll cut off, huh? Clear prop.
We have got clearance for the holding point where we will stop and wait for clearance to enter the runway. Here is our friend marshalling us from the blind turn for safety. So we are at the holding point waiting for clearance to enter the runway. So now you see that board, that's what tells you which runway you are going to enter. It's runway 33 and 15. We are going to take off on runway 15. Cleared for takeoff and let's go. Airspeed is alive, so in this airplane we'll be taking off at 55 knots. 1 knot is approximately equal to 1.852 km per hour, so 59, doing a rough calculation, would be around 100 kilometers per hour. And many people ask me what is the takeoff speed. So it differs from airplane to airplane, and on bigger airplanes like A320 it's approximately 140 knots, and it also depends on the weight of the airplane and configuration. So we took off towards the south on runway 15, and Pangkor is on our north from KL, so that's why we'll be turning right 2 times and then we'll be pointed towards Pangkor and we go straight there. After the first right, you can see the airport just there, looks so beautiful. The weather is pretty nice today to fly. It's just that there are some clouds which are always there in Malaysia. So yeah, but we can still maintain our visibility to the ground and the water, so we are good to go. So we have already reached the western coast of Malaysia. Honestly, it's not that far. If we just fly for 5-10 minutes towards the western heading, we can simply reach the coast. Now we just have to fly along this coast, and then eventually we'll reach the Pangkor Islands. Look at all the ways going out from the city to the ocean. That right there is a Malaysian mining company, Whale, and it looks out of this world. I am so fascinated by how it is isolated from the rest of the country by these mountains all around it. I wish I had a farm right there. These small mountains or islands, whatever you want to call them, popping up means that we are very close to our destinations, and soon we'll be arriving at Pangkor Island. If you want to know what we call islands in Malay, we call it Pulau. So that is Pulau Pangkor. Another interesting thing about the airport that we are going to is that it doesn't have an ATC, it is an uncontrolled airport. So we'll be just reporting to Ipoh Tower. I will be reporting that we are going to Pangkor, and then we just go down and land there and do whatever we want. That's the good thing about uncontrolled airports. Right there, guys, the excitement is increasing as we are approaching Pangkor. Yay! This is for the first time I'm going to land in an on an island and on such a short runway. So here I'll be once we land and we have fun and everything. After that, I'll be practicing few landings. What to say? So excited. Right there is the beach that we are gonna go to. So the plan is that we go down to the airport, and then we rent a car, go to that beach, have some fun, chill there, have lunch. I have heard a lot of good things about the lunch here. They say the food is very delicious. There. Do you see the runway? Wow, man, it's so small when you compare it to Subang Airport or any other international airport. It's just now, it started and finished already. It will be so much fun. So we are just gonna go there, have some lunch, chill out on the beach a bit, and then head back to Subang. On normal runways, when we are on downwind preparing for landing, we are at 1000 feet. But for this one, we'll be starting at 500 feet, and then we'll put flaps 10, turn base, and then on final is like when we are lined up with the runway and just about to land. That point of time, we'll already have flaps 20, and we should be at 300 feet. Any more than 305 feet, you'll be too high, then you'll have problems landing. So 300 feet is the sweet spot, and then keep moving, and we have this. When the island starts on the left, you see this mountain. That's kind of a mark that we have. And we add full flaps, and then we touch down at our aiming point. Another thing to be careful about is that while we are aiming for an aiming point, sometimes if you are not careful enough, you might just land short of the runway, and that is another very bad thing to do because you'll end up in the waters or the uneven surface just before the runway. So aiming point is the most important thing, and your altitude and speed, everything like normally you have in a normal landing. Let's do it. So we landed successfully. Now we just turn around. There are no taxiways on this airport, just this runway. So we turn around and backtrack, and then go to the parking area where we park our plane and go inside the airport. And we see how it works in a small airport.
Didn't start recording.
This is the Pangkor airport. Wow, man, so pretty and so happy. There, Pangkor. Ah, Sofyan, how was it? Ah, yep. This is so exciting, man. We are already planning to come back here. At the airport, we need to submit the manifest and we have to pay a landing fees that is 11 ringgits per landing, and then we also have to pay 20 ringgits for parking the airplane. And the good thing is we can get our car rental here only, and that would cost around 40 ringgits. So we'll just rent the car and go wherever we want. There's our plane. Oh, you left the door open. There's a beach. Daddy's cafe. Ooh. Without doing anything, it's the best trip for now. Wow, careful. So here it is, a very good vibe, very nice beach, white sand, and some light music playing here. This is the restaurant that we heard so much about. It must have delicious food, and rest the beach is like all the Malaysian beaches, white sand, so many boats, and there are some activities to do here, small islands here and there. They can take you to trips, and you can obviously sit here, have lunch and relax. I really like the vibe though. I've been to some other beaches in Malaysia, mostly in Langkawi, Penang, uh, and then Port Dickson. One of the good beaches, this one. This is gonna be our table and this menu. Wow, man, everything looks so delicious. And you know, this is the worst part. I don't know what to eat. It's so difficult to decide. That's why I always say it's very good to have foodie friends. They can still choose what to eat for you. Easier. Honestly, I don't want to sit here. If you have money, this is the best thing to do.
Because you have money.
Don't.
Give me one case, can
I don't have money, man.
Says the guy holding the iPhone.
Uh-huh.
You want monkey love?
You want monkey love?
Okay. 2 monkey love.
2 monkey love.
Okay. And then I take chicken rice, sana?
Monkey love.
Monkey love. Okay.
You also want monkey love. Okay. And then ice cream. Ooh.
Seafood fried rice. Seafood fried rice.
2 chocolate milkshake. Yep.
2. And Coke.
Ya, sebab dia orang tengok saya story kat office pukul 12. Kau dah masuk pukul 5 tu je sebenarnya.
Oh, ya tu.
Saya cakap lah, dah hobi aku mahal.
So all of us have ordered monkey love. That's the name of the dish that is quite popular here. And I left my purse and sunglasses in the car, so I am going to get those. This is the car that we rented for 40 ringgits. And I have my sunglasses. Let's go. What all do you have in Pangkor Island? I guess I got too excited for the trip and I did not prepare properly. I should have got a pair of shorts and you know I could have gone for a quick dip inside the ocean, but now cannot do that because I just have these pants and don't want to be wet when I'm flying back. So yeah, no option. There are the kayaks, so you have an option to rent the kayaks and go for a peaceful kayaking, and then obviously the boating things. I guess they are going for the mangrove trips or something, to rent a boat and go to the islands. And all of these, like whatever is available on all the beaches, jet ski, then banana boat, then UFOs, and what else? Water sports. So this is all what you can do here. As usual on regular beaches what you get, but I'm sure you will spend a very good day here, so it is very nice for a day outing or a peaceful stay for a few days. And then there are swings. Ta-da! Monkey love. Here's the monkey love.
That's weird.
Wow. And this one is
Nasi goreng
seafood fried rice. Nasi goreng seafood.
Yeah. Let's go.
Makan.
You guys, you know makan?
Yep,
Very
makan.
proud of you.
Oh.
Ada lah, ada WM. Apa benda ni?
PA.
Ada tu.
Jokes apart, this monkey love is actually delicious.
There's a lot of hornbill here.
Yeah, he knows. He's calling him. That bird, I guess that's hornbill. It's really well trained. That guy called him down and came, grabbed his treat, and just went back up. He's watching.
Okay, sangat sini.
Yay!
Yeah, kan?
Fikir 119.
Yeah.
Dekat island.
Hello.
Not next week.
Not next month, man. Just
Next
in
week.
10 days. Yeah, next week.
Okay, let's go.
We'll be broke soon. That was a bad thing to do.
Just
Look at this lawyer. So evil. He's saying somebody will be in trouble and
have
then I'll
more
make more money.
problems, My brothers have
Oh.
more problems. And call me. You're IT even. Dia tanya dia jawab.
Go. Tell everyone that we came on a plane. Go.
I'm a pilot.
Yeah, I'm a pilot. Take a board. You people walk here. We flew, man. Time to go back. So hot, man.
Station ni.
But we'll
Let's
see
go.
macam station sendiri lah kan. Good thing we got Vikas to do all the videos.
Yep.
Very good. Thank you Vikas. You're the best.
Yep.
You can follow YouTube. Vikas.
YouTube.
You don't follow?
Subscribe.
The hell, man.
He made me subscribe. It's good lah. It's good. The electric thing.
I show you.
Hey Vikas, where are you from again?
India.
Which part of India? This big.
Haryana.
The rich people India, right?
Rich people India?
Yeah, North India,
No, North India. Is it called rich people India? Oh man, no.
Bro, everybody knows if you're from North India, you're like the rich Indians. If you're
Hey.
in South India, you're like, no, not rich.
Look at this guy, man.
I'm not lying.
Hmm?
The YouTube guys, right? You can tell in the comments.
Uh-huh.
North Indians are rich or not? Tell in the comments. Tell.
No, we're not, man. We're poor.
Yeah, you just flew a plane
So
in
poor,
Seoul.
man.
Sure, bro.
I missed it. You see the UK Prime Minister and like, hey! There's the airport again. There's a plane. Not allowed. I was thinking to bring my drone. This is the entrance to tarmac. Wow, man.
Oh.
sorry. There's the fire truck. There's our airplane ready to go back. Da 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 da. Let's go. Small video again. We are ready to go back, so we are gonna go from here. Da 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 da. End of the runway. Turn around and shoo. Go back home. Haha. What an experience.
And now I want some.
journey for today. Ta-da! Everything is off. Let's go. And we are done for today. I had a lot of fun. Hope you liked the video as well. So like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Still sending. Perfect time to come back. It's raining heavily, man. Otherwise we would have been diverted to some other airport. But now we are back and good to go home. Waiting for the rain to stop.